Hey, I'm JR, training manager here at Crutchfield, and these are Klipsch The Fives, a powered speaker system. I first got to see these in Las Vegas at the Consumer Electronics Show. They were set up in the Klipsch booth in a very large room in the Las Vegas Convention Center, and it was quite surprising just how loud and clear they sounded in that very harsh environment. They will sound significantly better in a living room or a small room. Here in our video studio, I'm very excited to have them here at Crutchfield to tell you all about them. I have seen and heard a lot of powered speakers. It's becoming a very popular way to listen to music at home, and I can tell you these are better than most. Let's start with how they look. They have a really nice finish. They're available in either black or walnut. You'll find on the top of one of the speakers some really nice controls. You'll have an input selection and a volume control. Both of these are heavy-duty metal knobs that feel great to the touch, and they're very conveniently located right on top. But let's get to the more important stuff. How do they sound? They are Klipsch speakers, which means they're going to sound loud and clear. Just know that. A big part of the reason for that is because of the 1-inch titanium dome tweeter mounted into a Tractrix horn. That horn helps project that sound out and add volume and clarity, and they really do sound great. The bass comes from a 4.5-inch woofer on the front of each speaker and a port on the back. They are a bass reflex design, which makes them more efficient, gives you a little bit more low frequencies. And the port is also a Tractrix design, similar to the horn on the front, which helps that bass come out nice and smooth. I mentioned that those woofers are long throw woofers. Many small bookshelf powered speaker systems are designed to go on your desktop next to your computer in a situation where you'll be sitting very close to the speakers. These are not. These are designed to be a full whole room 2-channel audio system. Whether you're connecting it to a turntable or a stereo system or to your TV and using them for TV audio, they are great for filling an entire room with sound. There's plenty of power built into these speakers. They are bi-amplified, which means the tweeters have their own amps, the woofers have their own amps. And there's 60 watts per woofer and 20 watts per tweeter. So crystal clear sound at high volumes and low volumes. They also feature something called dynamic EQ, which will help give you an even fuller bass when you're not listening to it super loud. So at low volumes, bass can be tough. Dynamic EQ gives you a full, rich sound at any volume. All right, let's talk about how to get music and sound into the Fives. You can do it several different ways. They have Bluetooth 5.0, featuring a high-resolution D to A converter compatible with high-res music files up to 24,192. So anything you can stream to it from your device is going to sound amazing. There is also a digital input on the back, an optical digital input for your digital sources like a CD player, for example. There's also a set of analog inputs, a simple set of RCAs with a switch that allows you to choose line input or phono, so they are compatible with a record player. If you have one with a moving magnet cartridge, you can pipe the audio directly into these speakers. There's a 3.5 millimeter jack, so you can come in with audio from a portable device. You can also use the USB Type B input to get audio into it from your PC or your Mac. But there's one more input that makes them very different from most of these powered speakers that we're seeing these days. They have an HDMI input on them, which makes them perfect as your 2-channel left and right speakers on either side of your TV. Many people are opting for sound bars because they sit right below your TV and they kind of disappear. However, if you'd like to have some really nice looking speakers on the left and the right side of your TV that easily connect using an HDMI with audio return channel, the Klipsch The Fives will do exactly that. There's also a switch on the back which allows you to determine which speaker will be the left or the right speaker. This is very convenient. You might want your controls to be on the left or the right side of your stereo system or your TV, and you can decide which is the left and which is the right speaker. And it comes with a 17-foot proprietary cable that connects one speaker to the other so that you can put them quite far apart and create a nice wide soundstage. So these are the Fives by Klipsch. I think they are fantastic. If you have any questions about these, get in touch with us here at Crutchfield. You can get onto crutchfield.com. You can call us. You can chat with our advisors. Send us an email. We'll be able to help you determine if these are the right speakers for your living room. You can also put questions and comments right here in the YouTube video. We do look at those and we will respond to you whenever we can. And as long as you're here, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe and the notifications button so you'll know the next time we put out another video. Thanks for watching.